Hello. It's always a great day when new art supplies arrive from Amazon. Don't have to go to a store, they just appear in front of me. So today what I bought is a new brush. So it comes in a bag, which we'll just cut open. That's the only thing in the bag. So you can see this is a Princeton Neptune Round, number 8. And it comes with a protective sheath on the top. Try not to throw these away. They are very helpful when you're storing these so that the brush end does not get all twisted and stuff like that. This is a good solid piece of plastic to keep it safe. And then you can see the details on that. I really like the swell of the brush here. The nice solid connector that's connecting the wooden base of the brush to the bristles. And it's worth noting that when pretty much anyone sells you a brush, they're going to have a bit of varnish, we'll say, on the tip of the brush to be able to keep it in the correct shape until you get it. So you just want to rinse it a little before you get started. But this is looking like it's in great shape. I will be using this often, so we'll see how this holds up. But the feedback I've had from my artist friends is that these hold up pretty sturdy, so I am really looking forward to working with this. So let me know if you have any questions at all about the Neptune Princeton Round number 8.